Hey YouTube, it's Mrs. Kamori back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing what's inside the bag that I've been carrying with me lately. And it's this beautiful Michael Kors Jet Set Tote in the brown signature print with the acorn leather trimming. It has these two chain handles. These are not detachable or adjustable. On the front, you have the Michael Kors logo in gold hardware. And it came also with this Michael Kors emblem hang tag here. This brown puff I got from Amazon. It has two sides pockets, one here, which I have my Samsung earbuds in. Here's the back, no pockets. And here's the other side, another pocket, side pocket. It has a zip top closure, but the zipper does not go from side to side. You see there's a space here and a space here. Let me open her up. And here's an overview. I have her stuffed, as you can tell. So let me start pulling things out. I matched my Coach 5 key holder in the brown leather with this bag. The next item I have is my shades that I'm currently rocking, which is the MK Aviators. I have matched this Jet Set coin purse wristlet with this bag. Michael Kors, it has the wristlet attachment. I'm using this now as a coupon holder, so I have my coupons in here. I have some gift cards. It has a zipper closure on top, and you can add more cards in here, cash, coins if you want to. It also has this key fob if you want a key ring. You want to attach your key fob to this and just have an easy grab and go. My wallet that I'm using, this is the card case. It has a pocket on the back. I have my license right there. And it opens up really well, holds a lot, has an accordion style on the sides. Love this. I have my tech pouch, which is a Kipling creativity pouch. Love these things. They hold so much. My charger, earbuds, attachments in here. I have this coin pouch I got from Amazon. I have my fan. It has two slip pockets on the front, as you can see here. And one of them I have some hand lotion. And a snack. These, if you haven't tried these are really good. These, sorry. Here we go. These taste similar to like a Baby Ruth or Snicker bars, kind of a mix between those two. And these are the Atkins caramel chocolate nutritional bars, very high in protein, and these are again delicious. Hand sanitizer. A little slip pocket here. I have some hand lotion. And a pen, pink pen. I have another pouch in here. I'm using this as a catch-all, and this is my Kipling, another Kipling creativity pouch, but it's bigger than the other one, as you can see. And in here I have some miscellaneous items like my Tide to Go pen, wet ones, Band-Aids. I have some Pepto-Bismol, my husband's key fob for his car, some Carmex, some cuticle oil, and my manicure set. I love, if you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you look into the Kipling creativity pouches. They hold a lot and they close up very compact. I love these. I have the Jet Set wristlet, double zip, one zipper here, very generous, and another zipper here. I don't have anything in here currently, but I keep this in my tote to use as a grab and go. Like the other day, I went to the grocery store and I left my this big one in the car, and I just put my wallet and my phone and keys inside of here, and just took this inside for easy grab and go. These are great. I love these. You can also add a chain strap to it and use it as a crossbody, and I'll attach a picture at the end of my video so you can see what that looks like using the same pouch here. I love these. I have another one in the black leather, but these are very great. And this bag has one zipper pocket back here, and here I have a Michael Kors card case. I have my kids' insurance cards, and then some rewards cards, my beauty supply store, Walgreens. Then I have my vaccination card, an extra mask, another pen, and some tissues. So I've enjoyed carrying this bag. It holds a lot. It's very spacious, easy going. So that's all. She's empty now. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. Let me know. And once again, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Thanks. Bye.